In this video, we'll show two methods for using pressed flowers to make a decorative place card and bookmark. Look for our video on how to press flowers. Artist Thomas Cole pressed flowers to preserve for his herbarium, a collection of pressed plants that for him were reminders of the careful details of these plants, should he want to paint them, but also reminders of places he had traveled and the wonders of the natural world he saw there. For the first method, you'll need Mod Podge or another acrylic medium, a paintbrush, and a piece of paper. I'm going to make a little place card, but you could make a note card or herbarium page in this way. Lay out your design. Place a dab of glue or Mod Podge where you want each flower. Gently paint over the plants with Mod Podge. Let dry. Add an additional coat if needed. For the second method, you'll need a piece of paper and a piece of clear contact paper cut larger than your paper. I'm going to make a bookmark with this blue-eyed grass, or Sisyrinchium. Lay out your design. Peel most of the backing off the contact paper. Place your plants, then your paper on the sticky side of the clear plastic. Remove the rest of the backing. Cut away the corners to reduce bulk. Fold the tabs over to the back side of the paper. Press firmly with your fingers, or something like an old credit card. You can also melt paraffin to attach pressed flowers to the sides of candles as decoration. What else can you imagine making with pressed flowers?